Welcome to a quick walkthrough of the tools included in MesoSim. For demonstration purposes, we will use the boxcar trade. Our first tab is the strategy overview. The first graph shows the log returns with performance metrics next to it. You can revert to the original value if preferred by using this button. Scroll down for more graphs. Examine the account Greeks by clicking on the specific names. The third graph shows the P&L per trade, indicating max profit, max drawdown of the trade, and the realized profit. Our next tab is the position monitor. This tool is for risk modeling, with the x-axis showing SPX prices and the y-axis showing projected P&L based on the Black-Scholes model, always at a given point in time. For example, at $2,425, the P&L at expiration is $4,680. However, options are usually not held until expiration, as shown by the green and yellow lines, highlighting the sell date, the 8th of January 2019. If nothing else changes, projects a profit of $1,259. The three graphs on the right-hand side show the P&L history. The first graph shows the position P&L on the yellow line. We opened our trade on the 3rd of January 2019 with a max P&L of $324 on the 8th of January, and we closed it with $239 on the 10th of January. The second graph shows the trade's Greeks over time, including delta, gamma, theta, vega, and weighted vega. The third graph displays the VIX options index and the underlying price changes, in this case SPX. At the bottom of the page, you'll find more features. The default graph calculates position performance daily in 2D, with an option for dynamic scrolling on the timescale. The 2D graphs display the trade until the first expiration. 3D graphs are useful for strategies with multiple expirations, displaying both the P&L projection and the Greeks over time until the last expiration. The HD mode adjusts the risk graphs using the Black-Scholes-Merton model to account for weekends, business holidays, and expiration-specific risk-free rates. For more details, see our blog post. The next tab is the full Tearsheet. This sheet provides a detailed performance and risk management outline. Numeric metrics extend those on the first tab. The first two graphs mirror the return P&L and log return P&L graphs from the strategy overview tab. Additional charts show monthly and daily returns, volatility, and Sharpe ratio. The average Sharpe of this trade is 0.97. We also provide graphs calculated with the Sortino ratio and detailed drawdown trends and monthly return distributions. The Analytics tab allows the examination of variables correlated with trade outcomes and on-the-fly analysis. Let's generate a P&L graph. Set sim time on the x-axis and nav on the y-axis and change the format to a bar chart. All variables are available for analysis here. The margin report is part of the advanced plan. This tab calculates Reg T and portfolio margins. The Events tab logs all events throughout the trade lifecycle. Each event line can be expanded using the triangle icon to access the variable browser and view additional details. This control helps manage trade dynamics. All variables can be used in the job editor. These events can be exported on the Strategy Overview tab with a subscription. The Job Definition tab is where you can fine-tune your trades and review the settings for the backtest you've created. If it seems complex, don't worry, our next video covers the basics. For more details, be sure to check the written documentation. Next, we'll discuss how to research and develop trades on the Job Definition tab.